OnePager can access any of the fields or columns from your source files in Project or Excel for use in automated grouping of swim lanes, display of text columns, and conditional formatting. But there is an exception to this, created by adding more than one snapshot to your project view. This project view I have in front of me has a single snapshot. I can tell by going to my View tab and seeing that my Previous and Next buttons are grayed out. If I navigate to the PVP in the Rows and Swim Lanes tab and select a drop-down, notice that there is a list of fields from Project, and then a line, and then the rest of my available fields. The fields above the line are what OnePager has already imported from my source file for me to readily use in my project view. OnePager does not bring in every single field from my source file for performance reasons. We only import the most typically used fields and then anything you have mapped into your template. Everything below this line is something that OnePager can go and get if I choose it. If I add another snapshot to this visual, notice that the line and everything below it is now gone. If I wanted to get access to those fields below the line again, I would have to navigate to my View tab, delete my old snapshots using the List All button and Delete key, and then navigate back to the Rows and Swim Lanes tab of the PVP and select the drop-down to see that I have regained the line and the remainder of the fields in my project file. Please visit our other videos at onepager.com/support. If you have any questions, please email support@onepager.com and we'll be happy to assist you.